Hi everyone, how you doing? Honest Phil here, Phil's Honest Reviews. You probably know I recorded one of these before about the blower, and the volume was awful. Basically the microphone kit that I'd bought off Amazon was rubbish. Strangely enough, I've not put a review on my site, but I did put a review on Amazon of what I thought about it. It basically lasted about 3 or 4 recordings, and then my iPhone started saying it was an unsupported accessory and stopped working. Okay, so the DCV100, DeWalt call it the blower or blower rather than calling it a leaf blower. It's probably because they do a much more powerful leaf blower, and they would rather you bought that one rather than this little one. This I find is a really useful piece of kit. I've had it 6 years now, bought it in 2019. Primarily I use it for cleaning up after myself, so cleaning woodworking tools down with the leaf blower, with the blower, and obviously cleaning the workspace, customers' drive, wherever it is I've been working. Works a treat. 3 speed settings. I find that quite useful. You can put it on the low speed setting, stops the dust going absolutely everywhere, so you can blow the dust down, particularly in the back of the van. So I can blow the dust down to the van. It's almost like sweeping it. It's a gentle blow, and then when you get it to the end of the van, put it on 3 and just blow it out everywhere. It stops it all just going up in the air in the back of the van. As I said, I do and have used it as a leaf blower, and despite what some reviews have said in some places, I've had no issues with it shifting wet leaves. However, what I have found, if you've got a large amount of leaves, it will struggle to lift. The sheer weight of the leaves just gets too much for it. But individual leaves, light blowing, cross my drive, get it all to the edge and then sweep it up or whatever I want to do. No issues for me at all. So in the box, the blower, 2 straight connectors, and then this adapter kit. This is for blowing up blow-up beds and such like. We find this very useful. We've got a visitor's double bed, blow-up bed, and we put that connector on into there, twist it onto the blower, and then off we go. And it blows up in no time. It's absolutely brilliant for that job. Using it as a blower, connect that on there, and then the hose on the end, and you can see there's quite a good length to it. I find sort of it reaches the floor down your arm, no problem. Does the job. I love this. It's always in the back of the van. Every time I load the van up, it gets chucked in. I use it for so many things. The only thing I find that's mildly annoying, but it's only a minor thing, the air intake here is on the left. So if you're right-handed like me, what I sometimes find is it catches the trousers and it blocks this off, so you just have to keep moving it away from your trousers. But it's not an issue for me. Let's pop the battery in, usual standard. If we put it on the slow speed, okay, that's quite a nice gentle blow. Don't know how that's affecting the volume, if you can hear me still. Up to quite a high. So yeah, so that's the DCV100. I love it. It's a great piece of kit. Strongly recommend it. DeWalt are still selling it, manufacturing it, and I think that's a testament to it's a really handy, useful bit of kit. Okay, so check me out, YouTube, Honest Phil's Reviews. Phil's Honest Reviews even. Check my website out. I'm also on Facebook. Please hit the likes, please subscribe. It makes a big difference. I know there's people out there and I know you're interested in what I'm doing. Okay, see you soon. Take care.